Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS29 in Plum. Alright, let's grab our scissors, and let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll take the plate off for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy just like that. Okay, you'll notice the two holes at the side here. That's where you're going to put your screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Okay, flipping it on over. You'll notice at the top here that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also notice the big difference between the two-way and the intermediate here are the terminal hole screws. Okay, the two-way has 3, the intermediate has 4. Also, the big difference between these two is if you want to control your lights from 3 locations, you'll get the intermediate. Otherwise, you'll get the two-way, because that can control from 2 locations. Okay. Also, these modules are interchangeable. So if you notice that you need 2 9s or 2 2s, not a problem. You can pop these out, pop the new one in, and you're good to go. Okay, let's put the plate back on. And let's take a look at that instructional leaflet. Okay, on the one side, we have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. So if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. You'll also notice a Scan Me QR code in the bottom right-hand corner here. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, and it'll give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay. Finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay. On the back of it here at the bottom, we have our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the two-way, 9 for the intermediate, and PL for Plum. On the center here is our barcode. And in the top left-hand corner, you have another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of Trendi products there. Okay. Finally, flipping the bag over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything Trendi. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.